Creative climate change. Making music from nature.
I've spent 2 or 3 days out in a wood looking for sound, natural sound, and I've collected sort of various noises from hitting wood, making noises with leaves, finding different sizes of logs and again hitting them with different materials. Different pitch. That's a good one. Hold it down. Perfect. We were able to get to this as an example. So what you're hearing here is this is a loop of those sounds. Let's play a couple more. One more. So they have all derived from using a recording device like this, or you can use your phone, because we're all carrying around quite powerful recording devices in our pockets all the time. So this was really just taken out and then used and pointed at the sort of target source and recorded. And once that process was sort of complete, you then transfer it into a computer, and again I'm using a specific software, but it can be any type of audio editing software, of which there are free ones available. And then I'm just going in and I've got, just quickly show this, I've got all sort of raw materials, you could say. I'll just sort of show you what that can sound like. Came from. So these are hitting individual. You can hear different tonal qualities in the hits, and then from this I can extract all of these little individual hits and put them into a device that will then enable me to be able to play them using a music computer software like this. And you can see those little individual sounds are now all available. There we go. So this is sort of representing a keyboard, and then I can then sequence those little individual hits and create rhythms from it. So I'll just give you a quick example of that. Here we go. There we go.
Recording voiceovers. Windmill blows, wind will go. Ho, 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 ho.
You're right, Loretta.
Windmill blows, wind will go. Ho, 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 ho.
Wow, okay.
Adding a voiceover to a film.
To record voiceovers or people singing, anything like that, requires, again, some music program, doesn't really matter what it is, and taking an animation or film that's been made, putting it into a timeline, and then really just getting whoever's going to be doing the voiceover to almost perform to the visual that they're seeing. It's amazing that even people that have never done it before kind of get that concept very, very quickly. This was something done by a couple of people who had never done this before, and you can see.
Get out in nature.
There we go. A couple of other bits.
Let's go on a walk. I hope the sun comes out. Oh, the sun's come out.
And what was interesting, this is all improvised, so there was no sort of rehearsal involved, anything, and it adds a wonderful layer to this animation. And then you could start adding in some music to put with that as well, or even some of those natural sounds that we'd got earlier from the wood. So I'll just pop it on a little bit and you can see.
How lovely. Some flowers.
Okay, just move it on slightly.
What a nice time I'm having.
And I think sound just starts to bring the whole thing to life. And the layers, you can put as many layers as you want on top of it. But this is all done and created by people that never seen anything like this before today.